I kind of probably do what a lot of my other fellow plumbers do on YouTube, just look around what they've got just to see if there's something I've not covered. Now, it's with dismay that I've found a few videos on there that are gas boiler fixes, whether they're combi or standard gas boiler, they're gas. Now, they always put a rider saying that you are not allowed to touch this gas boiler, you must be gas safe registered before you can touch it. Now, that is okay putting that, but by showing the fix itself, that is going to tempt a lot of people, especially this coming winter now, because things are going to be a bit tight. People are choosing between heat and eating, so things are going to be tough enough. So if their boiler goes wrong and they decide that they're going to fix it themselves and look on YouTube for the fix, they're probably not going to call a plumber in but have a go themselves, simply because things have reached that stage at the moment where money is so tight and the energy prices are up, you name it, everything is in a bad way, that the last thing you want is a guy having a go, especially gas, on a central heating boiler. So it's kind of, as I say, okay putting this little line, oh, you're not allowed to touch or do anything. This video is just to show you what I do because I'm gas registered. But the other side of the coin is that guys, when they're up against it and they're freezing cold and can't afford to get a plumber in, because obviously plumbers cost a lot of money, you've got to pay for your van, you have to pay for that gas safety course, which was intensive, and you have to carry out a renewal every 2 years to keep up. I'm not saying the gas safety course guys are dear, but they've got to charge a certain amount to cover all these expenses, their van, petrol prices, etc. So plumbers, I feel sorry for you guys now because I'm retired and I haven't got to do it anymore. But I know how you feel. But the last thing you want is anybody trying to do a job themselves and using YouTube as the source of trying to fix it. Okay, so just a little one that I've seen that I thought I'd pass along to you all out there. I'm sure you've all got your thoughts on it, and mine are, it's kind of dodgy territory, shall we say, especially in the times that are coming up this winter.